Have you ever felt extremely nervous before presenting in front of a large group of people? And your business pitches, are they on point? Your interview skills and performances, are they bringing the best you forward? Hi, I'm Jaques, and I'm your President of Public Speaking and Debate. And my mission is to help make your public speaking skills and abilities the best they can be at the time where it matters most. As an engineer with people skills and a coaching certification, I love bringing the best out of people. And you are no exception. So how can we make this happen? If you're involved, get involved please, and if you do, not only will you learn the skills and techniques taught by Australia's best teachers and coaches, but also you get a chance to practice and acquire this experience in a safe environment. Yes. Our first event for the year is Improve with Improv, and that's taught by Lynn Denise, Australia's foremost teacher in improvisation. Our second event, and it's our flagship event, the MBA Cup, a competitive debate with Melbourne Business School, one that's not to be missed. And following that, well, I guess you better check out the career website and get involved.